Okay, we've got question 12 here. A calculator has been used and it has worked out the value for P. The user of that calculator, Martin, has only written the first two numbers down. So we've got the value of P from these first two numbers is just 1.2. So the lowest value of the following numbers could be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and would go on for as long as the calculator had the display capability, and up to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So our lowest is equal to 1.2 with a string of zeros. The highest value is 1.2 with a load of nines. So if we were to write that down as an inequality, we've got P sitting here. That's going to be less than 1.3, but it can be equal to 1.2. And that, rather abruptly, is your answer.